Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Aval Vilaiyichatu. It's prepared from beaten rice and it's quite famous in Kerala. When I studied in college, my friends from Kerala used to bring this. This is my favorite snack and without further delay, let's get started. Take 750 grams or 3/4 kilograms of jaggery powder in a saucepan. Add in 3/4 cup of water. Nowadays, jaggery sugar is easily available in stores. If you do not have jaggery powder means you can use normal jaggery. Make sure to use this dark colored jaggery for this dish. Melt the jaggery nicely in water and switch off the flame. The main ingredient is flattened rice or aval. We need red rice flattened rice for this recipe. This is prepared from red rice or matta rice. Take 750 grams of flattened rice in a kadai. We have taken jaggery and beaten rice of same quantity. Dry roast it slightly. This flat thin beaten rice tastes best for this dish. Salt the flattened rice slightly and switch off the flame. Next we are going to roast some nuts. Add in 2 tablespoons of ghee. In goes half a cup of chopped coconut pieces. This gives nice crunchy flavor to the dish. When the coconut pieces is about to change the color, add in 1 cup of peanuts. Salt it continuously and roast the peanuts. The peanuts are almost cooked and add in half a cup of cashew nuts. My amma is only preparing this dish and thanks to her for sharing this recipe in our channel. Add in half a cup of roasted Bengal gram or pottu kadalai in Tamil. Saute it for a couple of minutes and make a space in center like this. Add in 1 tablespoon of black sesame seed. This gives nice flavor to the dish. Let it roast for a minute and saute it. All the nuts are roasted perfectly and switch off the flame. We are going to prepare Aval Vilaiyichatu in a big size urali. Add in 1 whole grated coconut. Dry roast the coconut until the moisture content goes off. This can be stored for a month and hence we have to sort it without any moisture content. Make sure the coconut doesn't change color and this is the right consistency. Now strain the jaggery water into it. The measurement of the ingredients is very important to prepare this dish. Then only you'll get right texture Aval Vilaiyichatu. Stir in the coconut and the jaggery water. Add in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. This gives nice flavor to the dish. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. Add in 1 teaspoon of ghee. We do not need any string consistency to make this dish. Once the jaggery boils like this, add in the roasted beaten rice. Stir it gently so that everything combines well. Make sure to use quite big size kadai to prepare this dish so that it will be easy to mix in all the ingredients. My amma has mixed in all the ingredients perfectly and it took nearly 2 to 3 minutes. Saute it for 5 minutes at low flame. This is the right texture of Aval Vilaiyichatu. Now add in the roasted nuts. Saute it nicely so that everything combines well. Follow the same measurements as I have mentioned. You'll get right consistency of Aval Vilaiyichatu. This is the right texture and switch off the flame. The next day this will turn quite dry. I took this video on next day and you could see it has set perfectly. You can store Aval Vilaiyichatu at room temperature for 1 week. After that just store it in refrigerator. Do try this healthy snack and share me the feedback. If you tried this recipe, share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.